Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Siobhan and I'm happy to have you. If you have been here before, I welcome you back. Thank you so much for your continued support. And if you are new, hit subscribe. If you like the content, give me a like. If you don't like the content, tell me why. I am starting a new trend where apparently I don't wear makeup on my makeup channel. I come home from work and I just tend to feel gross and want to wash my face. So I do have two bags, unboxings. This one is Ipsy. This one is Yes, Oh Yes. So these were a surprise. I actually thought that I had canceled both of these. Oops. So since it turns out that I hadn't, figure I may as well open them up on camera, see what's in here, see how they compare against each other, see what's going on. I'm going to start with the Yes, Oh Yes. So this is one this is only the second time that I've gotten one. Because honestly, I wasn't that impressed with the first one. So let's see if they did better this month. So far, yes. So the first thing is nail polish, and it is NCLA. And I don't know how well this is going to show up on camera. It's definitely more of a topper. So the next thing is Beauty Creations Longwear Matte Lip Gloss. So I have this one, which I got in a BoxyCharm, I think, last year sometime. So same thing. I will say Longwear Matte Lip Gloss is a stupid name. It's a liquid lipstick, but this liquid lipstick lasts forever. So far they're doing way better than last time. This is OMG eyeshadow collection. So we'll see what this looks like. Oh, that's not what I was expecting at all. These are very, very colorful. So if you're at all familiar with me, I really love colorful eyeshadow. So, and it has, so this middle shade is a matte, which would definitely work as a transition. There does need to be one lighter shade in there. But this is pretty. I will actually get use out of this. So that's exciting and surprising. So far, I'm really surprised by this box. Because, like I said, the last one just didn't impress me. I wasn't very happy with it. I think there are two more things. So this is something I've never, well, it's a brand I've never heard of. Do you have, oh, charcoal, I guess, is the color. It's a peel pigment. It's a dark gray with sparkles in it. Not super exciting. The last thing, the Universe's Star Highlighter. What is this? So apparently this is I'm Not Missing Out Cosmetics. And it's a highlighter. So I'm not gonna swatch this because I can already tell that this is not a color that's gonna work for me as a highlight. And I have eyeshadows this color, so I don't have any particular use for this. So I will go ahead and pass this along to somebody else who can actually use it. Little card. So 2019 Beauty Creations. This has just the amounts. The Beauty Creations lipstick is $8. The Crown palette is $10. The highlighter is $10. The charcoal pigment is $21. And the NCLA Luxury Gold Glitter Lacquer, this little thing of fingernail polish, it says is $21. Is it real gold? $21 seems like a lot. Maybe it's just me because I don't paint my nails that much, but that seems like a lot. And it's not even a gel. That seems like a lot. So total price of purchase, $70. The price of the subscription box is $14.99. It is nice that they kind of do like this breakdown at the bottom to tell you the percentage of what you save if you had paid the full prices that they list. So I'm really surprised that this palette is listed as $10. I would expect this to be $10 and this to be $21, but either way. So that is the Yes Oh Yes. I have at this point definitely canceled my subscription. Am I going to run out and resubscribe? Probably not. And it's not terrible. It's just not my favorite. I think that with my low buy, I'm going to kind of only allow myself to keep BoxyCharm. So that will be my one subscription box. But while we're at it, let's go ahead and look at Ipsy. Oh, Ipsy, however, I did know that I was getting this, and I totally forgot. Because they had, oh my god, I ordered this so long ago. They had a special where you could pay $3. I think it was $3. And they had different items that you could purchase from like their little Ipsy store. So I got the Luxie, this is the Luxie 1010 small contour brush. It has like a really soft plastic handle and then the nice copper ferrule. And the bristles are pretty soft. I think this will be a good size for contouring. I'm gonna say for setting under the eye, but I don't think that I'll be using it for setting under the eyes. So the next thing, so again, these are not things that were included. These are just things that I got for a really discounted price. This is just a little Clinique Take the Day Off travel size. These I believe are usually like $12 a piece. And I've been wanting to try the Clinique Take the Day Off, and this was an easy way to get to try it for $3. And then this is the thing that I had forgotten that I saw first that I was excited about. So it is an Ofra highlighter, and it is in the shade Rodeo Drive. So I love Ofra highlighters. They're soft. I love the new packaging, and they are absolutely beautiful. And this color, so aside from being just like very blinding, this color is also going to be really good for my fair skin. And I have, I think, 4 other Ofra highlighters. One large one this size in Pillow Talk, and then I have like a little trio that I got over the holidays. They're little, it's like the Spice palette or something. But I love their highlighters. They last really well. They're gorgeous. They're awesome. Okay, so that stuff was kind of exciting, which I have a feeling is going to make the actual Ipsy a little less exciting. But the bag this month, so with Ipsy, if you don't know, every month you get a bag. This one is cotton and feels pretty sturdy. I actually like this bag. I'm not in love with the print on it. Pink on the inside though, which is cute. And this is an Illamasqua coloring pencil. It's a lip crayon. Really? That I just lost the lid in the box. Haha. Alright. So this is just a lip pencil. I've never used anything by Illamasqua before. It's in the color Lust. And I had been talking about needing a lip pencil, so that will come in handy, definitely. And then, so Ipsy doesn't really do full size. So that is one thing that I will say for the Yas is that it is full size products. Ipsy is all just like travel size or sample size. So this is Nomad, another brand I'm not familiar with. Nomad Cosmetics from Stockholm. They are cruelty free and vegan. It's a highlighter. It's a cute little highlighter. Let's see if I can get it open. Okay, so this is, it's like the size of an eyeshadow, but this is really adorable. Oh, it is very, very, very soft. So I'll just swatch it. That's also going to be really nice with very fair skin. I don't know. It's going to be a much more natural highlight. Like, I don't know how well you can see. Definitely has a shine to it, but it's not blinding like the Ofra one. So that's interesting. The one thing that I do like about Ipsy is that it is cool to get to try out new things every month. There are definitely some brands that I have found out about, but again, with the low buy. I actually have one of these also. Jersey Shore Cosmetics Star Mint Glossy Balm. So it's just lip balm. I like this lip balm. It's like a natural peppermint lip balm. It smells nice. And then I have an Ico London Carbon Black eyeliner. I don't know why every subscription box ever thinks that they need to send a black eyeliner all the time. I can only use so much black eyeliner. I can't go through an entire one in a month. I mean, I could if I only use black eyeliner, but I don't only use black eyeliner. It is a larger felt tip end. It's by the brand Ico. I've used their mascaras. I've never used their liquid eyeliner, so I'll probably end up trying it out. The last thing I have in here is Pure Brazilian Miracle Leave-In Conditioner. So this I will definitely use. Hopefully it is a miracle. It doesn't have much of a scent. It does seem really thick for a leave-in conditioner. It smells nice. It's just like a light smell. Has keratin in it. I would tell you what else it has in it, but the writing on here is very, very tiny, and it is white on top of this light blue. So I'm going to save my eyes and just call it good. So yeah, so stuff like this makes Ipsy worth it, like buying the other stuff at a discounted price, because just on this one item, I saved more than what a month of Ipsy costs. But I don't think that I need to keep it right now. I think that I need to stick to my low buy. Yeah. It's a little difficult doing a low buy, honestly. So there's a lovely YouTuber whose name is Courtney Marie. I will put her information down in the description box. I definitely suggest going and checking her out. I'll probably also put a card up here. I still am not sure when I'm recording which side it's on when I'm editing. I think this side. But she also could use some love and support for her low buy, although she's going on holiday, and while she's on holiday, I think she should be allowed to do whatever she wants. In general, she's a grown up. She's allowed to do whatever she wants. But I don't think that she should have to feel bad if she decides not to do her low buy until after she comes back from her holiday. Anyway, she is awesome. I suggest checking her out. I think that I am going... I think I'm going to call it a day, actually. I want to do a full face of like subscription box makeup, but I kind of feel like right now is maybe not the time. It's after midnight. So next week is my birthday, so I have some time off of work. So it's going to give me some time to catch up with my videos, to do some recording and editing, and hopefully get a little bit ahead. And then actually have videos where I'm doing makeup and not just talking about makeup. I mean, I love talking about makeup and I love watching videos with people talking about makeup, but I would like to actually be doing my makeup. My skin is looking really nice right now, except down here. Down here I have some spots going on, but up here it's looking pretty good. I switched. I've been taking the Halo vitamins that are from Tati. If you don't know who Tati is, she's a huge YouTube influencer, beauty guru, and she came out with her own brand last year, and I was taking the Halo vitamins, which is skin, hair, nails, and then I switched this month to the Kiwi Booster, which is just for skin, and I'm doing 2 days, wow, I'm doing 2 months of that. I'm doing 60 days, so I'm about 15 days in, and I don't know if that's helping my face or if it's just that I've been taking better care of my skin. I am very confident that part of the loveliness that is happening with my skin, especially on my forehead, is the Drunk Elephant Protini, which I swear by. Seriously, it's incredible. I just realized that my nose ring has been crooked the entire video. I'm done. This is what I get for trying to do videos after I get home from work. I get off of work at 10 p.m. So I'm doing these late at night always. I keep telling myself that I am going to wake up and do a get ready with me before work. But I am tired always. So that's just not ever going to happen, probably. Yeah. So if you subscribe to either one of these boxes, Ipsy or Yes Yas, let me know what you got in your box, if you feel like they're worth it. If you're interested in seeing me unbox these, let me know, and I might consider keeping one or the other. Let me know what you think in general about what I got. So the Yes Yas, the first one that I did, is $15 a month. Ipsy is $10 a month. But like I said, I also saved on all of the like little extras that I bought. So there's that. All right. I'm going to stop rambling here. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're having a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. Bye.